Good morning. My name is Dr. Roland Phillips, and I'm coming to you from Desert Dove Health Alliance in Chandler, Arizona. And I've got a question for you this morning. Are you stiffer, more sore or achy, or is it difficult getting out of bed in the morning than you were 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago? Do you have decrease in energy or more irritable? Are you more dependent on stimulants or drugs to get you through the day? Are you less active? Are you more irritable if you miss a meal? Well, my question is are you willing to be different? And why would you want to settle for less health or less happiness or less success? Why not settle for more health and more happiness and more success? So let's talk about one of the premises that we have in mortal health system and in bioenergetic synchronization technique, which is to alkalize to detoxify. So when we start to alkalize our diet, we start to rid ourselves of these naturally occurring chemicals. There's over 11,000 what are called endocrine disruptors in our food, in the environment, in the water, and in the air. These are chemicals that are estrogenic in their nature. Now there's other chemicals also, but endocrine disruption is very, very important, because what that means is it's going to start to change our hormonal system. And these estrogen disruptors do two basic things to our bodies chemically. They increase the size of the cell, so what that's going to look like is weight problems, and they increase cell division, and what that's going to look like is going to be cancer. One of these chemicals, one of the 11,000 chemicals we're going to talk about today, is bisphenol A. This has been linked to cancer and infertility. And research has estimated that over 90% of the people living in the United States today have this in their bodies. So where do we get it from? We get it from water jugs, cans, we get it from beauty products, even sometimes the Keurig or some of the plastic. If the plastic is not solid, this bisphenol A can leach into the water, and over a long period of time it can disrupt, it can mutate, it can change normal hormonal communication. It causes toxic responses in the body. Dr. Janet Gray, from this, it was a study done in the environmental health perspective, has found that in 3 days of stopping the behavior of stopping exposure to bisphenol A, whether it's in the water jugs or the cans or the beauty products or the plastics, within 3 days the bisphenol A that is coming out of the body is going to be decreased. So we're going to start to decrease the amount of bisphenol A that we have, because the body will start to get rid of it. Now, how do we get rid of it? First of all, stop what you're doing. Be aware that soft plastics can be a source of bisphenol A. And to increase your green vegetables, the more green you put into your body, whether it's through green smoothies or whether it's through Alka-Green or green products or vegetables, these have detoxifying vitamins, minerals, coenzymes, and trace elements to detoxify these endocrine disruptors. So if we stop the behavior, if we're willing to stop the behavior or the exposure that you have control over, and to increase your greens, there's no reason why the body cannot detoxify over a period of time. Sure, there's nothing you can do about some of the things in the air or in the environment, but you sure can take charge of what you put in your body as far as beauty products, water, juices, and diet. So over a period of time, science is now telling us that if we change our behavior, then we can have a different body. Therefore, the immune system and the hormonal system is not going to be interrupted, and then we're going to have a different physiology. So this is Dr. Roland Phillips from Desert Dove Health Alliance, and I'm inviting you to have a best and a better day.